In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for beginners. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the essentials, understanding the dashboard, connecting your bank, categorizing transactions, creating invoices, recording expenses, and running key reports. When you log in, you land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business. Think of it as your home base. Sales is where you manage invoices and customers. This is money coming in. Expenses is for bills and vendors. This is money going out. Banking is where your bank feeds live, and reports is where you'll find your financial statements. If you keep this mental model, money in versus money out, you'll always know where to go. Next, connect your bank account so QuickBooks can pull in transactions for you. Go to banking, choose link account, sign into your bank, and pick the account you want to connect. Once that's done, QuickBooks will automatically import recent transactions. This simple setup can save hours of manual entry and greatly reduces data entry errors. Now it's time to categorize those imported transactions. Head to Bank Transactions, review each item, choose the correct category, and click Add. Aim for accuracy and consistency so your reports stay clean. For example, purchases like printer paper or pens belong under office expense. A client payment should be categorized as sales income, and a monthly app or software charge would be a software expense. If you're unsure, choose the category that best reflects the purpose of the purchase or income, and be consistent going forward. To create an invoice, click the plus sign labeled New and select Invoice. Choose the customer, add the product or service you're billing for, enter the amount, and then click Save and Send. This not only sends a professional invoice, but also records income properly so your accounts receivable and revenue reports stay accurate. To record an expense you've paid, click New and choose Expense. Select the vendor, pick the right category, and save. This ensures money leaving your business is tracked in the correct place and keeps your books tidy for tax time. Finally, run your reports. Go to Reports to view the profit and loss, balance sheet, accounts receivable, and accounts payable. The profit and loss shows income minus expenses to reveal your profit for a period. The balance sheet is a snapshot of what you own and owe. Accounts receivable shows who owes you, and accounts payable shows what you owe others. Pick a clear date range and review these regularly to stay on top of your business health. Follow these steps and you'll build a strong QuickBooks foundation.